This is the Alpaka Metro, and for under $99, this bag is pretty awesome. Let's start by checking out the bag's materials and dimensions, and then we're going to pack this thing up for a typical day. If you aren't familiar with Alpaka, they're an Australian-based travel brand making sleek yet versatile high-quality gear. And thanks so much to Alpaka for sending me this bag to try out. If you love this thing as much as I do and want to snag one for yourself or something else from Alpaka, be sure to use my affiliate link in the description as it helps out the channel. And right now is the perfect time to grab something because they are having an awesome Black Friday sale. Pretty much everything on Alpaka's site is on sale right now. This bag right here usually retails for $95 US, but it's on sale for 25% off at just $71 US. The Alpaka Metro comes in right around 16.5 inches in height, 10 inches in width, and 6 inches in depth, with a capacity of 12 liters. The bag weighs 1.8 pounds and comes in 4 different colorways: army green, black, blue, and the sage gray that you're looking at here. The bag is made with AxoFlux 300D, which is a recycled poly fabric. The army green, black, and blue versions of this bag feature a 300D cool gray honeycomb ripstop polyester lining, while the sage gray features a 200D blood orange honeycomb ripstop nylon lining, which seems to be a crowd favorite. The main compartment of this bag has reverse coil zippers, while the front compartment utilizes waterproof YKK AquaGuard zippers. Now that we've gone through the specs, let's check out this bag in a little more detail, starting with the thick top handle. Next, you have the front easy access pocket. And this is a cool pocket because you can kind of just whip the bag around to easily get inside here. This will feature a magnetic key leash, as well as a couple pockets for notebooks, cameras, handheld video games, those kind of things. And then there's a few skinny slots for things like pens. Onto the main compartment of the bag, and here is where you're going to find this nicely padded fleece-lined laptop sleeve, and you can fit up to a 14-inch laptop in here. In front of that, you'll find 2 smaller elastic pockets, which you can use for tech items, or in my case, snacks. Then, on the front panel, there are 2 larger pockets for things like water bottles. There's a mesh zipper pocket at the top, where you can put things like chargers, or even a pair of sunglasses could nicely fit in here. And as you can see, the main compartment zipper does have a little bit of an overhang, which can unfortunately sometimes get in the way when you're zipping it up, but that's there for weather protection. The back of the bag has some really good padding for a smaller EDC backpack, and the only downside for this back panel is there's no luggage pass-through. The shoulder straps are slim and sleek, but they are comfortable with enough soft, squishy padding in there. And the straps come with some elastic hoops to keep the excess from dangling. So let's pack this thing up for a typical day. Remember, everyone will pack differently, but these are the items that are most essential to me. So try to envision what you would bring along while watching this part of the video. First, let's start with my laptop. And as I mentioned before, this bag has a really nicely padded laptop sleeve that is going to fit a 14-inch laptop. Here I have my 13-inch MacBook Pro. Next, I'm going to throw in a little snack. Recently, I've been really liking this little breakfast blend mix from Hickory Harvest. I'll also bring some gum, and here I have the ginger flavor from Simply Gum. Now, moving on to the front panel. Let's add in my morning coffee, and I'm going to put that in this slim bottle from Swell. I just love the colors and design on this. Let's also throw in some playing cards. I've been really enjoying playing Rum recently, and this Royal Reader's deck from Out of Print is super fun. In this top mesh pocket, we're going to put my laptop charger. We'll also bring along a sweatshirt because it's November and the cold has definitely begun in Chicago. I'm opting for this one from Prince Tennis. Anyone else watch Nadal's last match this week? What an amazing career he had. Now, moving to the front quick access pocket, let's first add my keys, which are easily attachable via the magnetic lanyard. Next up are my AirPods. I'll bring a couple pens to fill out those little pen slots there. And I'll add a little notebook from Field Notes. Lastly, I'll pack up my Anbernic RG28XX handheld video game emulator. And there it is, we're all packed up for the day. So what do you think of the Alpaka Metro? Is this simple yet well-made backpack feature-rich enough for you to buy? Let me know in the comments what you think. Also, if you found this video useful, be sure to give it a like. And if you aren't subscribed, you might as well do that as well. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Be on the lookout for 2 more new videos next week.